This is the O'Brien family. Paul and Nancy are married with 2 sons, Connor and Kevin, and 2 dogs, Ombre and Biscuit. They lived a quiet and happy life until someone killed their dog Ombre. One morning, Ombre was found in their living room, smothered by a blanket. Paul was out of town. The rest of the family and a friend, Cameron, were home and supposedly asleep during the murder. When the police showed up to investigate, 2 hairs were found at the crime scene. They were amplified for 2 different VNTR loci and run on separate gels to create DNA fingerprints. When looking at the DNA evidence for hair 1 and locus 1, it can be seen that the first band could have come from Nancy, Connor, or Kevin. The second band could have come from Connor or Nancy. The reason why Nancy, Connor, and Kevin all have a band located in the same position is because Nancy is the mother of Connor and Kevin. When looking at hair 2 from locus 1, we can see that the first band could have come from Ombre, the victim, or Cameron. The second band could have come from Ombre, the victim, or Kevin. The results from locus 1 reveal that either Connor or Nancy could have contributed hair 1 and hair 2 must have come from Ombre. We know that hair 1 did not come from Ombre, Kevin, or Cameron, and that hair 2 did not come from Nancy, Connor, Kevin, or Cameron because the bands do not match up in both locations. We must look at locus 2 for further evidence. When looking at the first band from hair 1 for locus 2, it could have been contributed by Nancy, Connor, or Kevin. Band 2 could have come from Connor or Cameron. The first band from hair 2 could have come from Ombre. The second band could have come from Ombre or Kevin. From this, we can conclude that hair 1 came from Connor and hair 2 from Ombre. We know this because considering both locuses, Connor and Ombre's DNA are the only ones that match up for both instances of hair 1 and 2. When we consider both of the loci together, it is clear that Connor was the murderer. It turns out that Connor has hated Ombre ever since he was a puppy and could not stand him anymore. As soon as Paul left town, Connor killed Ombre.